Saturday's precise and important news. A cargo of UAE aid dispatched in Kabul. 38.5 tons of medical aid and food supplies to families in Afghanistan affected by a recent earthquake in the country by the United Arab Emirates have arrived in Kabul. Afghanistan's exports to foreign countries have increased. Ministry of Industry and Trade says that last year Afghan products were exported to India, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, United Arab Emirates, China, Iran, Iraq, Turkey, and Kazakhstan, which shows exports increment to abroad compared to previous years. A businessman who was kidnapped a month ago released. During a joint operation of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's Army and Police Special Forces, a businessman, Haji Sardar, was released from kidnappers in Mazar-e Sharif city of Balkh province. This businessman was kidnapped over a month ago. 2 kidnappers were also arrested in this operation. Children with heart disease introduced to hospital. 15 more children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect were referred to a hospital by ARCS for therapy and surgery treatment in capital Kabul. In the last 8 months, Afghan Red Crescent Society has introduced 812 children with heart disease to different hospitals for treatment. Over 125,000 metric tons of goods transported through Afghanistan's railway. The Afghanistan Railway Authority has announced that during the last week, 125,104 metric tons of commercial goods have been transported through Afghanistan's railway.